Okay, we've gone through our head and we've touched up spots we needed to touch up and resanded it down. So now we're ready to do our base. And I'm just going to use this white craft paint here to paint our base. So what we'll do is we'll paint this, we'll let it dry. We'll take 220 grit sandpaper, lightly sand it down, and then give it another coat. And then we should be ready to start painting with color. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. We've already painted our hands. So we don't have to do that. So you can see we got it all sanded down nice and smooth. So we'll get our base coat on there, and then we'll sand it down like I said, lightly sand it, put another coat on, and then hopefully at that point, if everything's looking okay, we'll be ready to start adding color to our figure. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all painted up, and then we'll be back with the next step. So thanks for watching.